look! Here puzzle board with farm. Do you want to know about farm? Let's complete our puzzle and know about farm. What is this? Can you help me to find this? Yes, it is. Old Macdonald's farm. Yes, yeah, you are right. Next, here I go. Let's find her. Oh yes. She's here. Next, what is this? Can you help me find this? Yes, you are right, it is. Apple tree. Next, everyone know about this. Do you know? Yes, you are right. It is rooster. Next, our animal. Help me please. Find it. Yes, you are right, it is.
He sure did run fast with his very big feet.
Rabbit. I think you find it easily. Yes, right. It is cow. Do you know about this animal? I tell you. First, let's find. Yes, it's here. It is.
पहले बकरी को नदी की दूसरी तरफ हरी हरी
Good. Oh, here we have white duck. Let's put on place. My lovely animals is hers. What about you? Let's find it and put on place. It is horse. How we feed our animals? Of course, we give them green grass. It is grass. Our last puzzle is Little Macdonald. Let's put on place. Yes, look, we did it. Like and subscribe. Oh, look here, our letters are mixing. Here are some baskets. Look, what inside? Let's open them and find our letters. Let's this one. Orange color. Wow, here are our letters. Yes. A. Letter A. Next, B. Next letter, C. Next, D. Letter E. Let's open red basket. What inside? Oh yes, our next letter is here. F. G. H. I. J. K. Let's open next red basket. Oh yes, here are next our letters. Letter L. Next letter M. N. O. P. We open green basket. Our next letter is here. Q. R. S. T. U. Our next basket is blue. Yes, our last letters. V. W. X. Y. Z. Like and subscribe to my channel.